Welcome to Wednesday's Market SITREP here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, call sign Whiz, the Chief Investment Officer here at TGO. And if you ever needed any more evidence that we are in fact in bizarro market, all you have to do is take a look at the GDP, the final GDP numbers for the first quarter, negative 2.9%. That's the biggest crash since 2009, and that's not even that's far below the absolute worst expectations. So it's stunning. I think the market's just kind of standing here rubbing its face going, there's no way in hell that number is true, but it is. That's the final number, and it's bad. Couple that with core durable goods orders, and whenever you see the word core, it means X something. In this case, it's X transportation items. Core durable goods imploded, and regular durable goods imploded. So, obviously the market should be rolling over hard right now, right? Of course not. As the SPOOs are up 5, Dow's up about 50. So again, I define bizarro market as good news is good news, bad news is good news, and awful news is absolutely great news. So the market melting up on the worst GDP in 5 years is just, it's laughable. That stocks are in the green right now. If we were not in bizarro market where the Fed is propping this market up, where we have a Yellen put underneath this market, we'd be down about 600 points on the Dow right now with that GDP print. But of course, you can find all the apologists out there. Goldman Sachs is, raising their Q2 GDP forecast, and here we go with everybody saying, well, that was just a one-off. Well, those are the folks that are on Wall Street and Chicago and London and not in Middle America. At Top Gun Options here, and especially as in my role as an executive consultant, I touch America. Right now I'm in Bonita Springs, Florida, and I spoke to one of the largest associations of insurance trainers and educators, everywhere from large insurance companies to small mom and pop companies, and it's not good out there, folks. So these folks that are saying this is a one-off, just they're not anywhere in reality. And of course, with this biggest miss in GDP in 5 years, what do we hear a peep out of the government? Not a word. Okay, so again, Goldman Sachs, we think that Q1 GDP was an aberration and is not representative of the strengthening underlying trend in U.S. growth. Sold Goldman Sachs. Get to reality. Okay, they're just prepare for more worse is kind of the bottom line here, folks. But anyway, and then obviously with obviously nothing bad at all going on in the world, from Iraq to Asia to Ukraine to our horrible GDP. There you go. There's an implosion of the VIX back down below 12 right now, which is nuts. When vol's cheap, you buy it. When it's expensive, you sell it. Vol's incredibly cheap right now. And taking a look at skew, there's at least the market down the road here is looking at a potential black swan event. And so am I. The music's going to stop someday, and it's going to be ugly, okay? But I got to run. I have a live trading session here at 1 p.m. Check your email to register for our live trading session, our new Full Throttle program. We're going to be doing a live trading session this afternoon, and we're going to be talking about a lot of the stuff that's going on in bizarro market and how to potentially profit from it, okay? So happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and hopefully I'll see you at 1 o'clock. We'll see you.